हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस एमबीए पॉडकास्ट। आज मेरे साथ बैठे हैं बीएम त्रिची के स्टूडेंट्स एंड भाई इनकी प्लेसमेंट लगी है। द गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस इज 80 परसेंटाइल 75 की रेंज में इन लोगों ने अच्छे ब्रांड्स क्रैक करे हैं। दे हैव गॉट इनटू EY, some of them have got into Infosys, and some of them have got into ICRA, which is a credit rating agency, by the way. Guys, welcome to this podcast. Thank you so much for giving some time.
Thank you.
I would love to have your introduction first. So one by one introduce कीजिएगा. Where you from? What you've done? Fresher, WorkX, Gap. Which company you got into?
So my name is Prantik Das. I am from Varanasi. I have completed my bachelor's in chemistry honors from Banaras Hindu University. And then I started preparing for UPSC. For 2 years I prepared for UPSC. I went till interview stage. And then in my last attempt I also prepared for CAT and I came to BIM Trichy. And I got placed in FinTech consultant role in EY GTS.
Do you have a fintech background by any chance or a finance background?
No sir, I don't have
You are
any.
an engineer.
Sir, I had chemistry honors in bachelor
Okay,
science.
okay. And you made it to finance.
Yes sir.
Nice. Over to you. I shot a video with her last year. तो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, आपको पता होगा जब इनका PPO लगा था, इनकी समर इंटर्नशिप लगी थी Infosys में. Now she's turned that summer internship into pre-placement offer and she will be joining Infosys very soon. Go ahead.
So, hi, I'm Dr. Sananta. I'm a BDS graduate and I live in Pondicherry. I've been in Pondicherry all my life. Here in MBA, I am majoring in HR right now, minors in analytics. And I did my summer internship at Infosys, HRD department, and I've converted a PPO as well.
Very nice. Over to you, buddy. He's a young chap. He's a fresher मेरे ख्याल से. BCom करके सीधा MBA के लिए आ गया. And married to ICRA, which is a credit rating company, and it's one of the best company in the country. Globally भी बहुत इनका नाम है. Go ahead.
So hi, I'm Dharmesh. So I did my undergraduate in BCom Computer Applications in Loyola College. So I'm a fresher without any gap years. So and right now I'm majoring in finance in BIM, and I got into ICRA.
Fantastic. Coming back to you, I would love to understand. You were preparing for UPSC, okay, and then you pivoted yourself towards management. Why that shift happened?
So basically, I gave CAT before preparing for UPSC that year, and I got into good colleges like Great Lakes and all. I scored around 90 percentile. But after that,
In which exam?
CAT
Okay.
exam, yeah.
Okay.
And then I thought that I had the UPSC in my mind before as well, that I wanted to pursue UPSC. So I told my father that whether I should go with it or not. And I asked him, sir, that father, can you give me just 3 attempts in UPSC?
You asked your dad.
Yeah, I asked my
Okay.
dad that can you give me 3 attempts in
Okay,
UPSC?
okay.
If I don't convert, again MBA is already there, so I will again appear for CAT exam and I can get into good
Very
college.
nice.
I had that confidence in myself that I can convert a good college even after 2 years with
Okay.
CAT.
My follow-up question on this will be: what are other colleges you denied or you left, or I would put it in a good way, saying that why would you prefer BIM Trichy over and above XYZ colleges? Can you name those colleges?
Yeah, so one college that I converted is IFMR Chennai.
Not bad.
And
not bad.
second one is Valinka Bangalore for core MBA.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, but I preferred and chose BIM Trichy is firstly because it is a very old college. It has a legacy of 40 years.
40 odd years.
40 odd years legacy it has. And the batch size was also one of the reason. That
Just 120 batch size.
just
by the way.
120 batch size is there. And even the placements were very diverse. I mean, everyone is getting placed, whether it's in HR, ops and all, because in the starting I was not sure that whether I will come to finance or not. So I think BIM Trichy provided
And eventually
me
you chose finance only.
yeah, after coming here,
Okay, okay.
because of the faculty and all, because the faculty, I mean, coming from engineering and science background, getting into finance is a really tough thing.
Actually.
Yeah, but
actually.
the faculty of BIM helped me really a lot here.
I'm just going to hold you there for a couple of minutes. See guys, इन्होंने मेंशन किया कि फैकल्टीज ने बहुत हेल्प किया. आप अगर ना पुरानी वीडियो देखोगे, आई एम नॉट श्योर अभी वो वीडियो कब आएगी, बट बीएम में ना एक स्टूडेंट है फर्स्ट ईयर में, उनका बैकग्राउंड कलिनरी का था. ओके, उनका पूरा शेफ का बैकग्राउंड था. शी वर्कड इन ताज. शी केम इनटू बीआईएम. ओके, एंड देन शी डिसाइडेड टू गो फॉर फाइनेंस. इवन शी वाज लिटिल स्केप्टिकल कि फाइनेंस मेरे से होगा कि नहीं होगा, बट इवन शी मेंशन्ड इन हर वीडियो दैट यहाँ के फैकल्टीज ने उनको बहुत हेल्प किया टू डू वेरी वेल इन फाइनेंस, एंड शी मेड इट टू BNY फॉर अ समर इंटर्नशिप. तो ये जो ट्रेंड है ना, ये बहुत सही है, बिकॉज यार अभी ये सेकंड बच्चा है जो ये बात कर रहा है. I mean you will see lot of people talking about it. So I can strongly tell you that कि BIM Trichy is very well known for finance also along with HR and the sales and marketing. तो I think वो finance के लिए ना student to faculty ratio काम कर जाता है because there is only 120
Yeah,
students on
exactly.
board. Fine. Another thing, I asked him about the UPSC. See, there is nothing wrong in taking gap or trying something that you wanted to do. लोग अपना career change कर देते हैं यार. Lot of people want to do chartered accountancy. Lot of people want to do CPA, CS. Eventually उनको लगता है कि नहीं होगा यार 2 साल के बाद MBA आ जाते 3 साल के बाद MBA आ जाते. We call them semi-qualified CAs. Which is still fair. But always remember, if you do UPSC or a CA and if you wish to pivot towards MBA, you need to have good brands under the belt so that you can get placed. Same thing what happened to him, like for the fact he is in BIM, he could get into fintech consultancy. Again, इनका जो background है वो बहुत south और north का background है, तो मुझे लगता है कि I think that has helped you very well, right?
Yeah, even during the UPSC, sir, the journey of UPSC helped me a lot to survive here in MBA.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice,
because I
nice.
studied
Pressure.
economics there. I
Nice.
studied a lot of diverse kind of subjects there, which are very helpful in MBA as well for me.
This is exactly, I think I was talking to one of the aspirant है, उनको मैं कह रहा था कि यार बहुत सारे यूपीएससी वाले ना बच्चे MBA फाइनेंस के लिए आते हैं because इकोनॉमिक्स का बैकग्राउंड उनका स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. So I think that's a very good thing. But again, you chose BIM Trichy over and above lot of other decent colleges, good brands in the market. Can you give me one or two X factor apart from the batch and the ROI and the legacy? One or two factors because of which you got attracted towards BIM Trichy. Again, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि ये बंदा तमिलनाडु से है. ये आए हैं सीधा काशी विश्वनाथ से यहाँ पे आए हैं, which is वाराणसी और बनारस, you can call it as. तो कुछ ना कुछ तो आपने देखा होगा.
Yes, sir. Actually, I talked to a lot of alumni here.
Okay.
I know them. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So, they told me that the BIM's culture is really good. It's not like that as a student or they will just come. There are not lecturers here. There are teachers here.
अरे
Who
that's a very good
basically
point.
teach you. They will not
Nice.
lecture you. Coming to a session and they will just do their work and just go out.
Very nice.
So here you will find certain teachers who will teach you. Especially that helped me in finance a lot. So I can go to the faculty whenever I want. Whenever I had any problem, they taught me. Especially in the first trimester, it was really difficult to combine marketing, FRP, accounting, and all
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I
I
was
can understand
completely.
that.
I have no relation
Has
with
to be
them.
Greek and
Yeah.
Latin for you.
Yeah.
I get that.
And they helped me a lot. So I learned it from the alumni there. And obviously package was already very good, decent packages that was offered in BIM.
And again, you are getting into Big Four, EY.
Yeah, that too, imagine coming from a BSc chemistry, preparing for UPSC and then getting a finance job in a brand like EY.
Yeah,
It
which is
was
a core, auditing, finance, accounting
Yeah.
sort of a brand.
Yeah.
Good, yaar. Very good. Very good journey, by the way. Fantastic. So, he made a point about the alumni. Okay? अब ऐसा नहीं है भाई कि for the fact he is in the video, he is talking about that. आप किसी भी बच्चे से बात करो BIM Trichy के कैंपस पे, alumni is a really, really great help. Okay, you can go back 5-6 साल पुरानी बैचेस, connect with them on LinkedIn, first hand आप उनसे बात करो, feedback लो, उसके बाद आप decide कर सकते हो. But one thing I can vouch for is that the alumni will always tell you good thing about BIM because this brand is like that. So it's a 40 years legacy. You can feel that from the alumni itself. Coming back to you, Miss, you got into Infosys. Tell me something more about your background. What all colleges you sort of chose the BIM over and above them. Anything you have to share with us?
Okay, so initially, MBA itself was out of the blue for me.
Yeah, because you're from a dental background,
Yes,
no?
dental background. So MBA was itself a new one. And initially I wanted to pursue healthcare management, but then when I looked into the syllabus, I thought all of this basic, what is health, what is disease, and all of that we already covered back in my UG. So I thought, why not explore a different avenue altogether? And if I want to go back, I can go back. So that was the intention with which I joined.
Nice.
And the colleges that I converted, apart from BIM, was TAPMI core I got.
Not bad.
Yeah, so, but then me with a very different background, I thought 120 with BIM has 120 years cohort size. So I thought that would be advantageous for me because I need not compete with others who are, engineers with WorkX and all of that. So I think that worked well for me. Apart from that, when I got Infosys HR internship, I was so happy because I was one of the first to get placed. And when they said
Oh,
I
is
had,
it?
yeah.
Wow.
So
Day zero placed? Like
Yeah.
first company on campus and done?
no. It was the second company on campus and it was done.
She's so honest. Like, no, second. Good. Go ahead.
Uh, so yeah, So I was very happy because I was always having my doubts. Would I be able to cope up with the syllabus? Would I be, because it's completely new. I had no idea as to
I
what
know,
will.
coming from a dentist background.
Yes.
And getting into the IT giant, which is like Infosys. See, ये brand आपको always help करेगा. एक बार वो लग गया तुम्हारे लोग कुछ भी बोले, but Infosys help करता है. At least we know people will absorb you eventually. So, and you will learn a lot because it's a service domain, no? It's a service industry, IT company. You learn a lot. Fantastic. What one thing I want to understand from you is, you know, if you can give me one or two pointers, you know, so that, you know, the aspirants can understand that, you know, why they should be going for BI. One or two pointers.
So I think apart from whatever was already mentioned, the batch size and all, I think the pedagogy here is really good.
Okay.
Here we call it as pie-shaped learning. It is
Yeah.
not just about them coming and teaching, like Prantik said. It is complete set. As to we get into outbound leadership training. We get a design thinking workshop. We have Bloomberg terminals. We
Yeah.
also have simulations. Whatever you learn in first, you can be applied into business simulation, and you can see right on what are the results.
Awesome.
So I think it is not just one person coming and teaching you, and not just case studies. It was much more than that. I
Awesome.
think will.
I think I
holistically
second that
help you.
point because, you know, BIM Trichy is on a growth trajectory. Okay, very soon they will have their own campus. Beautiful campus, by the way. You know, Asit sir, who's the director of this college, right, BIM Trichy, he is an IIM Ahmedabad alumni. And you know, whenever I meet him, you know, something or the other, you know, is happening on the campus. So these guys are going heavy on the AI thing, right? You know, going heavy on Bloomberg terminal. You know, student to faculty ratio is definitely really good. Harvard case study, even the faculties on campus are brilliant. So I think those changes I have seen personally on BIM campus, which is helping these kids, you know, to do better in their life. Coming back to you, tell me how has been your journey?
So basically, I kind of decided that I want to do MBA when I was in the starting of the final year of my college, which is BCom. It's
Okay.
the third year.
Okay.
So I started preparing for CAT and doing everything. And after I got my CAT percentile, I applied to various set of colleges. I got into like Great Lakes. I got into IMT, Nagpur, and Hyderabad. So, but I chose BIM because I was like checking with various alumni across each and every campus. Like IMT Nagpur, I talked to, BIM Trichy, I talked to, and especially a close relative of mine.
Talk to I am Nagpur folks.
Yeah,
I am Nagpur students.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you talk to?
a BIM Trichy alumni.
Okay.
So he's one of my close relatives. So I was talking to him, and he was like, he particularly said that you will learn a lot in BIM Trichy, just because of faculty.
He's got good relative. Your relatives giving, your relatives, you know, motivating you is a different ballgame altogether. Happy for that. Go ahead.
So he asked me what I want to go into. I was like,
Right.
I'm still thinking, but I'm slightly leaning towards finance. So he
Ah.
told me that the finance is one of the very good visiting faculties over here. Innos
Nice.
faculty is also really good. So, and which by the way is very true. One of the major reason I started to like finance is due to the faculty. And there is also another thing called as the Bloomberg terminal.
Yeah.
So it helped me to explore various different things. It's like the Bloomberg terminal is extremely helpful. We also went into some challenges with the Bloomberg terminal, so I started to use it. So it's like, I don't think any other colleges has this Bloomberg terminal. In like we have like 12 different terminals.
Yeah.
So it has been really helpful. Like
I mean, BM has really good setup of Bloomberg terminals. I visited that, and I felt really good. You know, it actually made me a little nostalgic. You know, I could remember my investment banking days back then. So fantastic, no doubt about that. You know, another question I want to ask you. You guys are in second year now.
Yes.
Okay. A lot of students, or a lot of followers, you can call it as, a lot of MBA aspirants, they watch my videos. Okay. And they belong to every part of the country. So some of them are from north side, some of them from west, east, etc., etc. And they definitely want to try BM Trichy. What I would love to understand, how's the campus life in BM Trichy? You guys have fun, you guys have parties, etc., etc., etc. Tell me something about it. Don't tell me the internal stuff. You know. But tell me some good things. You know, don't get open up. But yeah, tell me, like, you know, what are the areas that you hang out? How's life, you know, on campus? Senior, junior connect, and etc., etc.
So again, coming to the same point, it's a very small cohort, so no matter what, you will talk to each and everyone.
Yeah, that's right.
Plus, the second thing is that is the student event campus. So for each and everything, the student will conduct the event. So we have a separate cultural team called as the Kalaicom. So they will be conducting different events for Christmas, New Year, what a Pongal. For each and everything, they will have a different event. So for certain big events like Diwali, New Year, and all, we will be having like party till 2 o'clock. We will be the ground will be turned into a stage. Everybody will be.
So you have all the activities that normal are happening. You've got festivals, you've got committees, everything. So you are not missing on your MBA life as such.
No.
Okay, you want to add anything? I'm sure you must be having some pointers to add.
Sure. So I was extremely nervous as to before coming, what would the hostels be like? Would I fit in? You know, all of these doubts I had. But one thing I really liked about our hostels especially is that it is not exactly a room per se. It is a house. You've given a house wherein it's a 2 BHK and 4 people are in a house. So it never made me feel like I'm missing home because it's in a home setup.
That's nice.
And then I think we're all sort of neighbors, so to say. It's not like roommates and this. So it's just one community of BIM that apart from us being just a small cohort, I think the fact that we're all living together in the same locality and the same street, so to say, I can't even talk about it as a hostel. Because whenever we converse with our friends, we say, I'm going to my home, or do you want to come? That's the sort of conversations that we have.
Got it.
So
So
I
good.
think that really did not make me miss home.
Okay. Prantik bhai,
Yeah. Sir, I would
coming
like
to you. You come from the north part of the country.
Yeah, exactly.
कैसे रहा आपका वो भी बनारस से यार मतलब कैसे रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
Yeah, for me the biggest challenge was the food. I thought
हाँ, सही बात है.
starting I was most nervous about the food. What
ये
kind
होता
of
है.
food I will get here, whether I will get North Indian kind of foods or not. But really I would
Yeah,
say
but South Indian food is really good यार.
yeah, South Indian food is good, sir, but sometimes you crave for that
True,
food,
true,
right?
true, true.
Yeah, so you will not find any issue with the food here. I mean, in mess, all kind of foods are available. You
Very
can get
nice.
chole bhatures and all from the north also. It's not
I'm
like
hungry
that you will
now.
not get anything.
Really hungry
So
now.
yeah,
Go ahead.
so with the food you will not have any problem here. Coming from Varanasi, I can tell you from experience. And second thing was about the language as well, because everyone here is speaking Tamil and all. So I thought that whether I will be able to gel up with those guys or not, whether they will take me as a friend circle in their part or not. It's really inclusive campus. I mean, everyone will help you. Even the seniors who are like not from the north side, from the here only, from south and all Tamil guys, they help me a lot. They help me a lot. Even my co-students and all, they also help me a lot. Whether they were Tamil or Telugu, it doesn't matter here. So there is not grouping kinds of things. So it was really easy for me to gel up here and meet. Even my roommate is also a Tamil guy only. And I think he is one of the best roommates that I have ever had because in UG also.
I am sure you must have learned a little bit of Tamil by now.
Yeah. A bit of Tamil I learned.
You know, another commonality is that you come from Varanasi, which is like a holy place.
Yeah.
Which Trichy is a holy place,
Exactly.
right? विष्णु जी के यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा और सबसे पुराना मंदिर है. I think it's 2,000 years old, something like that. And it's just amazing. You know, when you land on the airport now, you will see that, you know, पूरा वहाँ पे उन्होंने बना के रखा है. So that's just a spirituality from my side. You know, eventually you turn a little spiritual. Anyway, last question for the day. Okay. And be honest to it, okay? I think a couple of more months, 3-4 months, then you'll pack your bags and you will be going out of the campus. What is that one memory or that thing you will miss when you're not on the campus? Please don't cry now. But please tell me, you know what can I say? This is something I will really, because I interviewed their 2000 batch. You know, I interviewed them last year, so it was a 2000 batch ka reunion. And you know, people were enjoying the campus, you know, and you know, I did a video with them. आप देख सकते हो. तो same thing आपके साथ भी होने वाली है. तो बता दो यार एक दो चीजें जो आप मिस करोगे.
So definitely I will miss the campus here.
True that.
This greenery and all, you will not find this kind of peace anywhere else.
You
after
get good
going out
oxygen
from
यहाँ
here.
पे.
Yeah,
Fresh
exactly.
air, man. That's important.
Thank you, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I will definitely miss the campus, I will miss it. And second is my friends here, because it's just a 120 batch, so you know every guy by the name.
Yeah.
You know everyone, like what kind of guy he is or
Right,
not.
right,
So the
right.
personal connect is there with each one of the
True.
batchmates. So I will really miss each one of our batchmates, especially the close friends that I made here.
True that.
And I think faculty a lot, because they were just like parents to me.
Oh, that's so
Because
beautiful.
yeah, because I can message them whenever I want at 9:30 if I am having any problem, they're replying me. So it was really, I don't think I can get
I second that.
that.
I've seen a couple of faculties. Sorry to cut you, but
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
seen some faculties talking to students on the campus and very jolly level. You know,
Yeah.
they're like very much approachable. तो ऐसा लगता नहीं कि faculty है It's more of parents and a friend wala feeling actually.
Who will reply to you at 9:30 or 11 if you are having any problem in assignment or something?
Nice, yeah.
So I will really miss the faculty here, I would say.
Fantastic. Okay, now from this 80-90 percentile or 75-80-90 percentile, whatever that we've got, right? We have achieved good brands. These like topmost brands in the country, no doubt about that. IT, Infosys #1. EY doing great as far as Big Four is concerned. ICRA, one of the best credit rating agency in the country, globally renowned also. Okay, lot of people are there, lot of aspirants are there. They will be watching these videos, right? And they feel scared sometimes that, oh, you know what, will I be able to make it big in life, right? Because the percentile. First thing, I believe your percentile has nothing to do with the kind of job roles or the packages that you will be getting, right? But you as a mentor or you as a friend of theirs, what advice or motivation you want to give it to them today?
One thing that I will tell them is just be honest to whatever you will do after joining the MBA.
Very nice.
Forget what you did before joining the MBA. After joining the MBA college, be honest to yourself. Whatever you will do here, you will get a lot of opportunities to learn. It doesn't matter from which background you are coming. You will get a lot of opportunities to expose yourself. The things that you have never tried before, you will be able to try here after joining the MBA. You will be able to speak in front of a lot of people. You will be able to do a lot of projects. You will connect with a lot of new guys. So just enjoy the moment, but always be honest to yourself. If you are honest to yourself, then I can definitely sure that you will get a good placement out of
Absolutely.
it.
Absolutely. Tell them that they need to work hard also.
Yeah, obviously you need to work hard.
Because people think that MBA is all about partying and all that.
No, definitely.
Anything from your side?
Like already mentioned, work could be hectic, work could be all night, but I think it's important to enjoy the process. Enjoy the learning aspect as well. It's not just about partying, but then learning can itself be fun if you take it that way. So I would say if you get into MBA, learn and enjoy learning.
Fantastic. Anything you want to mention?
Yeah, I'm going to say the same thing. The
He's
work
very
and-
studious, by the way. He'll tell, study hard, study hard, study hard. I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
Okay, actually, I was going to say that. Study hard. But also take your time to enjoy. So, I would say
Very
that
nice.
one of the most rewarding moment for me would be like completing the assignment like at the 3 o'clock in the night, going out for a walk, listen to music, go to the vending machine, grab a milkshake for myself, drink
So
it and go to sleep.
Wow.
Nothing feels rewarding more than that.
Absolutely fantastic. And guys, kudos to you. You are a really beautiful people. जिन्होंने इतना प्यार से बच्चों को समझाया. And one thing I really like about this campus is like this is something I'm telling you from bottom of my heart is that after coming from different backgrounds, like so diverse background, like he has nothing to do with finance. To be very honest, same goes for her. Nothing to do with HR at all. But you guys have been placed in big brands, and I'm very sure you will do very well in the future. So I think all credit goes to students and BM as a brand for giving them the opportunity. So definitely you are in safe hands if you are choosing BM Trichy, right? And wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Do well in the future. And guys, for their hard work, make sure that you put in some good comments and like the video. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
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 Bye.